Hi.
Near to lunchtime actually, right?
Alright, so the oldies have reached and now we're having lunch. And being Asian, right? You're like cooking like porridge.
Okay, khăn gì?
Porridge. Some minced meat here.
Khăn gì?
Some fried eggs.
So I beat all the eggs.
Okay.
Cruelty to animal, beating eggs. Alright guys. Testing. Alright guys, so while the oldies are cooking, I got a present from my sister, which is a new Peak Design slide light camera strap. So I had a G7X and I've been wanting to attach it to a camera strap because this is a little bit small and the pouch doesn't really work for me. So it's gonna be a quick unboxing video while the oldies cook. Saw a lot of reviews on YouTube about this product. A little bit sketchy, but let's see how it goes. I got the silver one. Oh, what's this? So they give you a little pouch. Oh, extra straps. Ah, so this is the one that you can clip onto the back. No idea what this little thing is for. And that's the mother.
Huh? Say hi.
Hi, is it on?
Yes. Use me for secure connection. Allen key. Alright, lots of packaging here.
Oh, what is the small little part? Para.
Alright, so strap comes off. Ah. Okay, so now this is
They
pretty
don't
cool.
have like didn't give us a tissue or what, something like that.
No.
No, I got
Let's
wet
Mary
tissue.
lose that.
I take.
Oh.
Hi, say hi to the camera.
Hello. I go and take wet tissue. Yeah, so fun.
Like, just say hi to the camera.
Hi. Are you gonna send this to YouTube?
Yep, you're gonna be on YouTube.
We eat it.
Porridge.
What's that?
Porridge.
Potato?
Ginger.
What you doing?
Beautiful strap.
Ow!
I take the tissue.
And that's how it's done.
Okay, mommy like.
Wow,
So look at all the food.
you run there. Thank you. No,